Okay, so this is the next part of our follow tutorial series, data structures and algorithm, and we have been discussed about stacks. And so far we have been go through the peak operation, the push operation and the pop operation. So today I'm going to show you guys how do you perform peak operation on the stacks. So let's move to these slides. Okay, so as you can see, this is our stack. So what is peak mean, or what is peak operation means? Basically, at its own meaning, peak means we want to, when it comes to programming, sometimes we want to know about what is the topmost location's value. Imagine our this is stack. So this is stack containing 4 elements, and in its top location it containing 6. So imagine I just want to know what is our topmost element. Basically it's not popping out, but it is simply asking for display our element that consists on the topmost location. Okay, so in order to do that, we can simply perform this pseudo code. So first it's checking for the topmost location equal to -1, which is our stack is empty. If it is equal to -1, so they will be saying stack is empty, therefore we can't perform peak operation. If it is not, which means our else statement, therefore we can see what is our top element is. Therefore it's simply returning top value. But if you remember our pop operation, when it comes to pop operation, it will be also returning this top value also, but after that returning procedure or returning step, it will be decrementing our topmost location. So in here this is not going to happen, because we just want to know what is our topmost element is. It's not just simply decreasing top by 1. Okay, so let's move our C code. So this is how C code will be look like after doing our code stuff. Okay, so these are actually very same alike, because we have been done 2 codes according to our stack operation. So if you already has been seen, these type of code are very simple and very much alike. It's very same, only a few steps has been changed. So I assume this stack operation is not a hard thing for you guys. Okay, anyway, let's do our peak operation again. So I will be like this, and I need some variables. Let's say stack, some kind of values, and our topmost location. So imagine I have these values like this. So the top will be 4. So what is the peak function does is simply like this. Let's say Okay, it's returning our topmost location, but it not decrease it top by one, because we just only want to know what is our uh, top is. So at the initial state, our num will be -1. In here I can simply perform while operation. So I think it is not necessary, because it is not necessary to check continuously what is a peak is. So I just simply implement a sequential code over here instead of putting a repetition. Okay. Do you want to know what is the let's say what is the element in the peak or something like that? Scanf okay. So if my number equals to -1, it should simply perform my peak operation. Let's say printing like this. Peak. Num is equal to -1. Then we can perform exit procedure, or maybe return. Okay, let's say exit. Okay, maybe return 0. Then maybe we can print our default stack also. It is not necessary at this point, but I'll also implement that procedure also. Like this. Okay, so let's compile. No errors. Let's run. Okay, so as you can see, in the default state, our top value is 2, or our peak is 2. So if I perform my peak operation, it should be saying my peak is or let's say the peak value of my stack is 2. So let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's a very simple mistake. First, I will do like this. Sorry about that. I've been feeling kind of cold today. Okay, this will be fix the issue. Right. So it's saying my peak is 2. The peak of my stack is 2. And if I enter, let's say -1, it will be not executing anything, and it will be ending the program. Okay, so this is how basically peak operation works, and we will see. I will see you guys soon in the next episode. And thank you for watching this video also.